seamless roof encapsulation. It's something you probably never heard of before, because up until WeatherWeld was invented 30 years ago, seamless roof encapsulation didn't exist. Because WeatherWeld's the only product on the planet that can make your parapet wall watertight from the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain, to take an existing gravel roof and encapsulate it and make it strong enough that you can beat with a hammer and drive a truck on. There's nowhere for this to leak, but also the ability to encapsulate vertical surfaces or something like AC ducts. This building leaked at the joints where the AC ducts are bolted together. And temporary solutions such as air ball or different sealants didn't work because the metal expands and contracts. But WeatherWeld's able to encapsulate the entire thing. So not only are these ducts strong enough that you can jump up and down on or beat them with a hammer, they're gonna last for the next 4 or 5 generations. And the roof, the ducts, and the walls on this building are never gonna leak. And that protects the gym floor underneath. So they came from 50 roof leaks on their buildings before WeatherWeld, and after the water test they had 0. And you can only get that with seamless roof encapsulation from WeatherWeld.